Hello guys, it's Allanna here. So, got my iced chai latte here. This is my absolute favorite sort of coffee to have. I have an iced chai latte with almond milk. It is the best. I have it every morning. And I may or may not have gotten some other people hooked on it, some of my friends. But right now I'm waiting for Lauren to come pick me up because, believe it or not, they are opening up some other Jugo Juicery locations, and one that they are opening today, they have a deal where the first 15 people get a free bowl. So her and I are obviously gonna try and be one of the first 15 people. And of course, since I love that place so much, I definitely wanna go. So let's see. So, I'm here with Lauren now. I forgot to vlog her like actually picking me up. We've actually been driving around for a little while now because we can't find the location. Like we're here where it says it should be. We even found the same suite number that it says it is, but it's not there, so...
Depressed.
Yeah. And we even tried mapping it, but nothing comes up. And they've been opening a lot of new locations recently, and if you try and go and map it, there's only 2 that pop up, and I know for a fact they have way more than 2 locations.
Yeah, I want a free bowl too, and it's almost like 10:30.
And we haven't eaten anything yet, so I don't know. We'll see what we're gonna do. So, we're trying to look for the new location y'all are opening, and we're over here in the area, but we can't find it. And we tried mapping the location that y'all had on y'all's Instagram page, like the address, but nothing popped up.
Let me see. Hold on, give me 1 second.
Okay, I put it on mute, but I just got put on hold.
That's just so sad.
Okay.
Okay, so what was the address that's showing up on the Instagram?
Hold on, let me see. It says...
Yeah, that's weird. That's the same thing that's showing up on our actual, like, Google Juicery website. That's the same thing that shows up. So, I can give you the number. Maybe they give you better directions on it.
Okay, that works.
Okay, so the number's gonna be...
Okay, thank you. He didn't say anything after that, so I just hung up. I said thank you.
Should I call him?
Yeah.
Hello, is this the Jugo Juicery?
Yes.
Okay, we've been I've been trying to find the location.
Yeah, hey Amanda, what's that restaurant right across the street? Okay, so type in
okay.
That's the restaurant that's right across the street from us, and it should bring you to the right location.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, I know where is at. So.
Also, I was just going through and deleting stuff off my card, and I just deleted like my whole intro to my video.
Oh my god!
Allanna, what do you feel about this though? About trying to find it? Okay.
Yeah, vlogception happening here.
What the? That's such an interesting word. Okay.
I don't know. I just thought of it right now.
Video thing, but yeah.
It was. I don't know. I think it's just because they've been opening so many locations like so quickly that none of them pop up on maps, so it's hard for people to find it. And we don't live in this area, so not like we've passed by it before.
But it only looks like there's like 10 girls, so we probably need to hop in that line before 15 people.
Yeah, and it's funny because all the people in line are teenage girls. Yeah, we're gonna go hop in line because we want a free bowl.
Seniors in line at Jugo Juicery. I'm super excited and they're super cute, so
Yeah, we just met her, so
yeah.
New friend,
everyone.
turn. So we're back at my house now. Time to say goodbye. It had been like 3 weeks before this since I had seen you last. I'm just glad we got to do this in free food.
I know, free food's the biggest part because I wouldn't have came and saw you.
Free food matters more than
Friendship.
our friendship. Yeah, totally.
I'm just kidding. Love
We're
you.
totally kidding. Why are you so cute? You're just, oh, okay, fine, bye. Nice talk. Whew, okay, I am making this quick because it is very hot outside. It's like 100 degrees, but I am in my car. Yes, I got a car about a week ago, but I just kind of wanted to talk a little bit about it because, you know, mainly just for myself to look back on, you know, my first car. Not a brand new car. You know, it works for a first car. I'm not picky for cars either. I just wanted a car, and that's what I got. I spent probably like 2.5 hours last week cleaning it all because I hate things being dirty, and I don't, just dirt and dirty things in general I really don't like. So I cleaned it for about 2.5 hours in 100-degree weather last week. I got floor mats and some seat covers and even my little hibiscus thing from my rearview mirror, so you know, making it mine. And yeah, that's about it. I really like it, and it'll do as my first car. Okay, I had to come back inside because it was too hot, but I'm definitely really looking forward to being able to drive my car places and just have some fun. Definitely being safe, but I'm just excited I have one now. And that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna work on editing this for the rest of the day and posting a video, which you guys will see. Well, you would have already seen it by now. Yeah. But I'm gonna go work on that, and that's pretty much what I've done for today. Be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and make sure you turn on my post notifications for the chance of a post notification shout out. She's so cute, I love her. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye bye.